Hey guys, this is Cindy, and it is now March the 20th, which marks the 3-month anniversary of my G.O.B.E Tradehouse trades that have been running since December the 20th. And if you've watched my previous video to this one, you know that 2 of my 3 trades that were running finally closed in profit, and it was a very small profit of less than like $5, I believe, if I am correct. So, 2.5 months for 2 trades to make me $10. And now we're 3 months into my trade that is still running. And I'm going to go over to my MetaTrader and show you that trade. So we're going to go over here. And that trade is still running. $30 negative. It's been running. You can see the date, 12/20/22. And we still haven't closed out. So I just wanted to do an update, let everybody know where this particular trade was, where it was going, where we think it might go. Let's see how many more months it takes for this trade to close and how much it actually closes in profit for me after waiting all of this time. If you want to join another platform and learn how to trade and call your own trading signals and also get indicators to help you along on your journey, I suggest that you join the trading floor, and the link will be in the description of this video. I have several other business links below this video as well, where you can learn to create your own capture pages and sales funnels, as well as another trading platform called Pocket Option. And you can check that one out. And if you decide to check that one out, let me know, and I can send you some strategies that I have been using to also make money trading currencies on Pocket Options. So hope everyone is having a wonderful week so far, and I will see you guys on my next video. Goodbye.